Welcome back to another new video. Like, share and subscribe our channel. In 2016, the HTC Vive stormed the VR world, becoming the de facto VR headset of its time. However, as time passed, HTC's presence seemed to fade with the rise of competitors like Oculus Quest and Valve Index. But now, brace yourself for a groundbreaking comeback with the all-new HTC Vive XR Elite. The HTC Vive XR Elite is a revolutionary all-in-one VR headset that's about to redefine the VR experience. Say goodbye to being tethered to a computer, as this headset is completely standalone, thanks to its inside-out tracking, powered by 4 front cameras, providing you with complete mobility. Now, you can explore virtual worlds in any room, making it perfect for travelers. Under the hood, the Vive XR Elite packs a powerful punch. It boasts Qualcomm's state-of-the-art XR2 processor, ensuring smooth and immersive experiences. Unlike the XR2 Plus, which offers a similar chip, the XR Elite has the added benefit of active cooling through a built-in fan, guaranteeing efficient heat dissipation even during intense VR sessions. Now, let's talk specs. With 128GB of storage and 12GB of RAM, you'll have more than enough space to store your favorite VR games and experiences. The XR Elite features a 2K per eye display, delivering breathtaking visuals, even though HTC might call it 4K. Let's set the record straight, it's not real 4K. The HTC Vive XR Elite doesn't compromise on audio either. Integrated speakers, cleverly designed into the headset's frame, provide sufficient sound quality, though not on par with high-end headsets like the Valve Index. But fear not, the XR Elite has a special treat for glasses wearers: diopters for each lens, ensuring crystal-clear visuals for everyone. The XR Elite doesn't stop at being an all-in-one device. For those who want an even lighter experience, you can detach the battery pack and switch to a sleeker headband, perfect for when you connect the headset to your computer. And here's the best part: no more hacky workarounds to access your favorite Steam VR games. The XR Elite fully supports Steam VR, giving you access to an extensive library of amazing VR content. While the XR Elite's lightweight design aims for comfort, we noticed some concerns with the connection points. During our pre-production testing, the buckles seemed a bit flimsy, which could be improved in the final version. Nevertheless, the headset's weight distribution, with the battery at the back, is a game-changer compared to traditional front-heavy designs, offering a truly comfortable and immersive VR experience. With its impressive battery life, you can enjoy up to 2 hours of continuous playtime. As for the price, the HTC Vive XR Elite comes in at $1,100, positioning itself as a premium VR device. While it might seem pricey, it's worth noting that it competes against other high-end headsets like the Valve Index. The HTC Vive XR Elite is set to release in February 2023, and we can't wait to see it make waves in the VR community. Its incredible specs, comfort, and flexibility in usage make it a strong contender in the VR market. If you're looking for the ultimate VR experience, the XR Elite could be the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on the HTC Vive XR Elite and all the exciting tech news. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss a VR adventure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the virtual world.